cyber attacks are no longer just technical glitches. They are strategic threats to business survival. As we step into 2025, cybersecurity is not just an IT concern. It is a boardroom priority. Welcome to TNV Academy, your trusted channel for professional ISO training and insights. In this video, we are exploring cybersecurity trends for 2025 and beyond, and how ISO standards like ISO IEC 27001, 27701, 27032, and others are helping organizations stay resilient, compliant, and secure. While cybersecurity is evolving, cyber threats today are more advanced, more targeted, and more frequent. We are seeing AI-powered phishing attacks, ransomware as a service, supply chain vulnerabilities, deepfake-based social engineering, and insider threats using generative AI. In this rapidly changing environment, having a strong cybersecurity framework is not optional, it is essential. Key cybersecurity trends for 2025 and beyond. Zero Trust Architecture, that is ZTA, will become the norm. Cybersecurity mesh frameworks will connect security tools across platforms. AI-driven threat detection will improve both prevention and response. Cloud security certifications will rise due to remote and hybrid work. Regulatory and ISO-based compliance will become a competitive requirement. How ISO standards are evolving to match these trends. Let's look at the key ISO certifications that align with modern cybersecurity needs. ISO IEC 27001 2022. Information Security Management System, that is ISMS, provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive data. New updates include controls for threat intelligence, cloud services, and secure coding. ISO IEC 27701. Privacy Information Management. Extension of ISO 27001 focused on GDPR and data privacy compliance, critical as data protection laws expand globally. ISO IEC 27032 Cybersecurity Guidelines covers broader cyberspace risks like online fraud, cyber stalking, and information warfare. ISO IEC 62443 Industrial Cybersecurity for OT, that is operational technology, environments like manufacturing, energy, and infrastructure. Why you should care. Organizations with ISO-based cybersecurity frameworks are more resilient against attacks, more trusted by customers and regulators, and more prepared for audits, certifications, and global business. Lead auditor and implementer roles in cybersecurity. There is growing demand for ISO 27001 lead auditors, ISO 27701 privacy officers, and consultants trained in cybersecurity governance. Getting trained and certified in these standards can unlock opportunities in IT companies, financial institutions, healthcare, government and defense, and cloud service providers. So if you are aiming to grow your career in cybersecurity and want to stand out, ISO certification is your launchpad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more insights into ISO trends, professional certifications, and your career growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, cybersecurity isn't just about protection, it is about preparedness. Thank you.